Okay, so we are room 1623 here at the Downtown Grand. This is a basic room, I believe. They call it Deluxe, because no one can ever have a basic room anymore. But I emailed one of the hosts at the Downtown Grand, and they were kind enough to comp me one night, which really based on very limited play. So I'm happy to be here, and I think the room is just fine. Nice big standing shower, which, it's got the might splash all over the place shower. Sometimes they do, sometimes they don't, but it looks fine. Your standard toilet, I guess, and pretty good size sink area with a hairdryer in a bag. Little makeup mirror, I guess, and a pretty good size regular mirror that allows you to see me. Hi. As you come in, there's not a whole lot of an entryway. There's a really odd mirror here, which I thought perhaps was broken or something, but I think that's just how it's supposed to sit. Yeah, it's kind of at an angle. Very odd. Luggage rack, another little shelf you can put things on. And then some little artwork on the wall, thermostat, little clock radio, your sort of lamp with connections, but I don't see a USB. It looks like just a regular plug-in. Apparently it gets noisy around here, but they're kind enough to actually give you earplugs, so we'll see if I need them. Usually I'm out pretty late and pass out anyway. So a king bed. That again looks just fine. Haven't slept in it. We have, well, I guess is a closet of sorts. And inside the closet you have a ironing board. Probably 8 hangers or so. And your sort of standard hotel safe, in addition to some more storage space if you need it. It's quite a bit of storage space. Some places do not have much storage space, but that should not be a problem here. Won't be a problem for me. I'm only here overnight, but some things there. Some apparently they do have room service, which is interesting, and some. Apparently they have a comedy show here now at the spare room. So I don't know anything about that. The water is free. That's nice. No smoking, no marijuana either, apparently. Pretty average size television. Looks about like my one at home. Maybe it's 43, 47 LG. And, pretty good sized desk area with a decent chair. Other side of the bed. Well, your phone. And lamp, same as on the other side. A little easy chair if you want to have an easy chair. You could sit down just like I did on the bed. And a little side table for your Las Vegas reading materials. Now there's a lamp here, but it's not plugged in, and I don't see where you could plug it in. So perhaps there's a plug-in in the floor. I'll have to check that out. So sure enough, you can plug the lamp in to this wall socket that's in the floor. All right, fairly small window, not a lot to see out here. I don't mind. It's kind of an interesting view. You can already hear the music pounding. I think that's from the pool deck down below, which you can't quite see. Almost. This is the 3rd hotel tower that they're building here at the Downtown Grand. So you can see the gold spike. You can see where the zip line starts over there, part of the canopy. And on the other side, my friend El Cortez, and so forth. And in fact, if you look down there, you can actually see a bit of the West Gate and that odd lot, if you will. So, and of course, good view of the mountains off to the east. So I can't complain for the price. It's a nice room. I said it might be noisy. Well, I'll let you know what I think. But overall, it's pretty good. Oh, look, we have another little connectivity thing, but again, it just seems to, I think we might have a USB over here. Yeah, but otherwise, a couple more plugins. And a very classy looking ice bucket. I stayed in this hotel when it was the Lady Luck a couple of times, so it's definitely much nicer than that now. So, all right, so it's the Downtown Grand, room 1623, I believe. If not, I'll put a note. Thanks for watching. Please like this video and subscribe to the channel.